Yeah, baby, yeah!
Wow. That's gross. You eating out of its head, then you're eating out of its ass. That's so gross. She's still just naked. I like her eyes. Her eyes are cool. Ooh, that looked like it hurt. So is she realizing she would rather be next to it than... Oh, okay, they saved the cat. Oh, she jumped in and saved the cat. Okay. Oh, wow, look at that. What a way to wake up. He said, girl, I got some titties to start grabbing on. Look, he said it too. Hey, I feel him though, bro. I feel him. Oh. His facial change. Ah, what is that? Ugh. What is that? Wow, it just ate his arm. It's got like cow duds or tits. She said not even a finger. Damn, bro. How you gonna beat this? He was my man? They got relationships? Damn, she's saying, hey, bro, give me some, and I'll let you go. Wow. Damn. Ooh, I like the spin. The action is really good. I can't, this looks all 2D. To merely fondle the chest. I'm not dying before I cop a feel. Oh, he managed to go ahead and cut her. Oh, wow. For real, bro. Hey, some people's dreams or, desires is just to experience pleasure, bro. Ain't nothing wrong with having aspirations to feel some titties, bro. I feel them. Not those. Ugh. Okay. Okay, he's moving. Oh, he's about to wrap her up. He wrapping her up. In guts. He wrapping her up in her boyfriend's guts. It looked like he cut her with the arm, not his face. Ooh, she giving him the... Oh, wow. He said, I ain't going down that easy. Nice. Did he get her? Oh, she pierced him with her tongue. Oh, that's kind of gross. Look, she just sitting there watching it. Oh, there go your mans. Oh, shit. Damn, I didn't know my man had power like that. That looked like the Nine-Tails Fox or something like that. Oh, there's more of them. Oh, it just chopped off the head. Is that it? Yeah, that's a chick too. He gonna want to touch her titties too. He ain't gonna tell him that she tried to kill him because he trying to cash in on that titty grab, bro. And I feel him. Why would I follow you, bro, when you tried to fuck me up my first day? For real. He said, you can count on me. I need some titties. I'm not feeling homie's man bun. Look, she knew he wasn't gonna say nothing. She like, yeah, that nigga wanna touch these. That's a toxic work environment, bro. I'm trying to see if that dude is nasty with that sword. She's got to be a fiend too because her eyes. Yeah, that nigga kicked me in my nuts like 10 times. Damn, it really sounds like outside out there. I forgot they lived together. I'm assuming power? Yeah. Wow. How'd they bow? What did she just make him? Look, that nigga. Woo! That nigga's stuck. He don't know what to do. Whoa. He about to pass out. Man, that other nigga about to ruin it. He about to cock block. Well, nigga, you better stop playing. Come on, man! Show the squeezes. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not really into like anime porn or anything like that, but that was kind of hot. Like, what dude doesn't want a chick to just come up to him and just be like, "Hey, you trying to squeeze these?" Like, that would be amazing.
It's a wrap. Give me that.